Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and you are watching Azaz Patel official YouTube channel. Welcome to the part 56 of responsive e-learning website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial we successfully see that how can we design the profile.php page. So in this tutorial we are going to move forward and working on this body right section of the user.php page. Okay, so without wasting of time, let's get started. So first of all, what we are going to do here, just we are going to close this card page and going to the function.php from here, and here is the card page, and we are going to copy this crumb section, copy that one from here, and then paste it that one from here. Now let's try to refresh the page, so you can see that we have a crumb section from here. So now we are going to working on this section from here. So we need to design like this one. Okay, so how can we do that? So simply we are come back again from here, and at the end of the page we have here, and let's remove the background color from here. Let's see now what we have here. So you can see that. Okay, we need to again clear the history from here. So you can see that now we have our output like this one as we have here. So now we are going to create a one div tag from here with the come back again from here, and div id equal to profile. Okay, so I'm going to create this div from here, and now we are going to design that div from here with the css profile. Its width will be 100%, its height will be around, as we have 500 pixel. Okay, not a 500 pixel. We set this let's say with the 480 pixel. Okay, 480 pixel, and let's set the margin from the top side only with the 5%, and its background will be as FFF, which means white color background. Let's refresh it, so you can see that the output is coming perfectly from here. So I think we need to set the margin from all side and 6 pixel, margin from all side 2%. Let's refresh the page, so you can see that the margin is coming perfectly and the page is coming also perfectly, very perfectly coming from here. So now the next task is we need to set the padding from the all side of this section. So we need to set the padding all side from 5%. Okay, now again come back to from here into the profile section, and here we are going to create a one h2 tag with the my account. Okay, let's design that one from here. Has profile, have some h2 tags, then its width will be 100%, its height will be 35 pixel, its line height will be 35 pixel, and its background will be has 3fi267, and then its padding from the left side only 5%, and its box sizing will be the border box. Okay, let's refresh the page and see what we have here. So you can see that the extra spaces are coming from here just because we use a padding here. Box sizing border box, yeah. So we need to also set the box sizing border box property from here, and its color will be as FFF, Let's refresh and check. So you can see that now the output is completely perfectly coming from here, but 5% of width from here is too much. 5%, 5%, 5%, but from the top side we only need only 2% of padding. So you can see that I think 3%. Okay, let's say with the 4%. Refresh the page. So you can see that the output is now perfectly coming, which we have here. I think 2%, 2%, 2%, and also from here 2%. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now let's set the 40 pixel of height, and here is also 40 pixel. And now let's say font weight will be a normal. Okay, and let's set the font size also. Font size will be 18 pixel. Okay, not 28, 18 pixel. Okay, let's refresh the page. So you can see that now the output is perfectly coming, but it doesn't need the 5% of padding from here, so we set the 3% only from here. Let's refresh the page. Now it's looking very good and perfect output. Now let's see what we have done here. Okay, so now we are going to create one table with these inputs. So how can you do that? Simply I'm going again come back to the here, and here I'm going to create one let's say first of all we are going to create one. Let's see how much space we have covered here. Okay, so space and then this one. Okay, so we say the label from here. Inside that label we use here icons. We say the user icon we need here, a user. Let's refresh the page and check. So you can see that the user icon is available here. Now from the top side we also need some padding from the bottom of that h2 tag. Okay, let's say from here margin bottom 2%. Let's refresh and check. So you can see that 2% of padding is coming from here. You can see that. Now what we are going to do here is into the style of CSS we have a label here. Now we said the u input, which means user input. We set here a div tag with the id equal to u input. And now inside that input we need here this one, and also we need a input type equal to text, type equal to text, name equal to uname, okay. Oh yeah, we need this one inside the form tag, just because we need a submit button. So submit button, it will only work if we have a form tag inside our website. Okay, so now this one is perfect. Now let's see the output. So you can see that the output is coming from here. Okay, inside label we say update what the text is coming from here. Let's see. Update your name. Yeah, so we will do same thing here. Update your name. Let's see. Refresh the page. You can see that update your name is coming from here. Now let's design that output. If have a profile, have a form tag, and inside that form tag we have a label tag. So we have a label tag from here, look like that. So we are going to try to design that label tag with the width equal to 30%, and its float will be a left side. Okay, so let's see the output. So you can see that the output is coming perfectly from here. Now we are going to design the I tag inside the label tag. Okay, so I tag, its width will be a 20 pixel. Okay, let's refresh and check. So you can see that the output is coming perfectly also from here. Now we are going to design U input. Okay, so its width will be 70%, and its height will be 35 pixel, and then its background will be has 2e, and then it's let's see what we have next here. Okay, border radius 15 pixel, and then let's see the output now. Refresh it so you can see that. Now let's also define date it to the float left side. Refresh that one so you can see that the output is coming perfectly from here. Now we are going to design this I tag first of all from here. Okay, not 2e, e6. Okay, let's refresh the page from here so you can see that the output is coming perfectly from here. Now we are going to design again I tag from here, so we are going to copy that one from here, change it with that like this one. Okay, and we are going to set the line height property also from here with the 35 pixel, just because we have a 35 pixel of line height from here. Okay, now we need to design this one from here. So can you design that one? So first of all we need to set the padding from this user input section from here. So we set the padding from the left side only, 5% of padding, and let's set the box sizing, border box property from here. Let's refresh it now so you can see that I think this too much, 2%. Refresh it. Now it's looking very good. Now we are going to design the input tag from here. So let's design the input tag from here inside to the U input. Have some input, then its width will be 95%, its outline none, its border width also be a 0 pixel, and then its background also none, and its height also a 35 pixel as we have here. So now let's refresh and check the page so you can see that the output is coming perfectly from here. But now we need to set the placeholder from here, just like enter your name. Let's refresh the page so you can see that, enter your name here. Now we need to set the width also from here, like 30 pixel. Refresh it. Okay, just not like that one. Let's set out with the percentage, 5%. Let's see. Refresh the page. Okay, 5% and say 94%. Okay, let's refresh. So you can see that now the output is perfectly coming from here. You can see that. Okay, and also we need to set this one into the line height section from the label tag. So we set also here line height 35 pixel. Okay, let's refresh and check. So you can see that now we have a center from here and center from also here. Okay, as the same way we are going to, okay, let's change the color also. So color will be as 748890. Let's refresh the page and check the color. So you can see that the color is coming perfectly from here also. Let's say here. Okay, perfect output. We have perfect output. Okay, in the same way we are going to copy this section from here and paste it from here. Now let's see the output. Refresh the page, but we need some padding, margin bottom from the input. So we need to set the margin from the bottom. We are going to set it here, margin bottom 5%. Let's refresh the page and check. So you can see that 5% is too much. Let's say 2%. Refresh the page. So you can see that now we have perfect output as we have here. Okay, so the next one is update phone number. So you're going to copy that one, come back again from here, and then inside that label we set here update phone number. Okay, let's refresh and check. So you can see that. And also here we are going to only change the type, will be the tel, and here you phone. Okay, let's refresh it. The next one is update profile picture. So let's check out with that. Let's copy this one from here and then paste that one from here. Control S to save that page. Refresh the page. Okay, so you can see that the output is coming perfectly from here. Now here we are going to change the file user image. Okay, it doesn't need any placeholder from here. Let's refresh the page and check. So you can see that the output is coming perfectly from here. Now we need one button with the update. So how can you do that? So simply after this one we set the one button with the name equal to update or save. Let's say with the save. Okay, and let's set the name equal to up profile. Okay, so now I'm moving to again to the style.css and we are going to design that button. But if you remember, we already designed one button from here. So you can see that, copy that one from here, simply paste that one from here, and we say profile form. Okay, profile form, and here is also profile form. Let's refresh it from here. So you can see that the button is coming perfectly from here, and now it doesn't need any margin from the right side from here. So it doesn't need any margin. So you can see that now the button is perfectly working from here as we have here. Okay, so you can see that. So guys, I think this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, just because when I upload the new videos, then you can get the direct notification into your inbox. So guys, stay connected with me, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in next tutorial. Goodbye.